dangerous အန္တရာယ်ရှိသော famous နာမည်ကြီးသော curious သိကျင်စိတ်ပြင်းပြသော nervous စိတ်လှုပ်ရှားသောအာရုံကြောနှင့်ဆိုင်သော serious လေးနက်သော generous ရက်ရောသော jealous မနာလိုသော garrulous စကားရန်များသော fatuous မိုက်မဲသောကိုအထင်ကြီးသော fastidious အသေးစိတ်ရန်စစ်ဆေးသောအဖြစ်ရှာလွယ်သောစိတ်ဆက်သော
Hello, I am learning English, and I have a list of words I have already memorized. I want to start practicing them in real-life context today. The boy dreams of becoming famous one day, and he is very curious about the world around him. Sometimes he does dangerous work, which makes him feel nervous, but he still tries to stay calm. At school, he is always serious about his studies and works hard to do well. He is also generous and enjoys helping his friends whenever he can. However, when others succeed, he sometimes feels jealous, and because he is quite garrulous, he often talks too much. Some people think he is fatuous, but in truth, he is very fastidious and pays close attention to even the smallest details.